Hello, dear students. Today we are going to learn about a tray setup, and today's tray setup is basically dedicated to learning about the South Indian breakfast. So first of all, we are going to begin with a South Indian breakfast which is very popular by the name of masala dosa. So as we see, the room service tray is in front of us, and we need to cover this room service tray by using the waiter's cloth. Here technically we don't have the waiter's cloth. So what we are using it, we are using two serviettes in the form of or by replacing the waiter's cloth. But in hotel, we will have to use the waiter's cloth only, because serviette is in French term for napkin, and the serviette is supposed to be used by the guest only. In hotel industry, no staff is permitted to use the serviette for their use. So we need to use the waiter's cloth only once you are in the hotel. So now our room service tray along with the serviette or maybe the waiter's cloth is ready. Next, basically in all the setups we have to place the side plates. Again, left hand side of the cover. On the top of the side plate we will have to keep the serviette, and the serviette has to be folded in a book fold manner. So we have the side plate on the left hand side of the cover, and on the top of it I have placed the serviette. As we know, the standard accompaniments for any dosa will be sambar and two different varieties of chutney. In two different varieties of chutney, we would be serving coconut chutney, that is in monkey dish, and along with that we would be serving the tomato and onion chutney. So first of all, we are going to make a setup for the accompaniments. Sambar we are going to serve in soup bowl with doily paper and side plate as underliner. So there is a side plate as underliner, doily paper and sambar in a soup bowl. In order to serve the sambar, we would be needing a service spoon. So all the service gears has to be placed on the top of the cover. Next, we would be needing two monkey dish. Here, this is one monkey dish. In front of you here, this is one monkey dish. And in this monkey dish also, we have saucer as underliner, doily paper, monkey dish, and 1 teaspoon for coconut chutney. We require one more monkey dish for tomato and onion chutney. So here we have one more monkey dish with doily papers and carrying the tomato chutney. On the top of the cover, we would be placing the quid set, salt and pepper, and in between the quid set we need to keep a card. The card would be having Bon Appetit written on the top of it. So that card we need to place it between the quid set. The card on which Bon Appetit has been written. Next is about the masala dosa. Obviously, the masala dosa will be served in full plate, and the full plate has to be kept at the center of the cover. In order to have the masala dosa and in order to have the sambar, the guest would be requiring the AP knife, AP spoon and AP fork. So I have placed AP spoon, AP knife and AP fork in order to have the masala dosa. And masala dosa, I am going to keep it at the center of the full plate. And this is again for tomato and onion chutney. Whenever I am serving the masala dosa, it has to be covered with plate cover. So our masala dosa setup is done. Again, repeating right from the beginning, in order to do this setup, we would be needing fruit set. At the center, Bon Appetit card, masala dosa on full plate, having the plate cover on the top of it. In order to serve the masala dosa, we are providing some cutleries to the guest, which is AP spoon, AP knife and AP fork. Again repeating, these are the two monkey dish. One is carrying the coconut chutney with teaspoon, doily pepper and saucer as underliner. Another one carrying the tomato and onion chutney. Below to that, we would be having side plate with serviette. So our setup is ready for masala dosa. This particular setup is not only be used for serving the masala dosa, but the same kind of a setup will be laid once we are doing the service of idli. Again, two portion of the idli or two pieces of an idli will be served on the main plate. Third thing is, if we are serving any vada, so again in a la carte order, two pieces of an vada is supposed to be served on the full plate. The rest of the setup will remain the same, because we know very well for any South Indian breakfast cover the basic accompaniments will remain the same. That is soup bowl, where we would be serving the sambar, along with that two monkey dish. In these two monkey dish, in one monkey dish we would be serving the coconut chutney, and in another monkey dish we would be serving the tomato and onion chutney. In case of uttapam also, we will have to give the same setup. So the same breakfast setup will be used for plain dosa, masala dosa, for idli, for uttapam and for vada. So in practical exams, if any kind of these things will come, you will have to do same kind of setup only. And it is not only doing the setups, if any picture of the setup has been given in front of you and there is some mistake in that particular picture as far as the accompaniment is concerned, then you must be able enough to identify which all the mistakes would be there on that particular picture, if the exams will be conducted online, in that case only. Like for take simple example, in this whole setup, if I am removing this particular monkey dish, so again this particular setup will be incomplete. Reason being how? Because in this particular setup, I have been providing one monkey dish for coconut chutney and one more monkey dish for tomato and onion chutney is missing. So that's how you will have to be able enough to identify the mistakes once you are appearing for your online practical exam.